welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study
Good evening,
Start.
guys. I have come with part 9 of this European continent, and this would be the last part. Finally, we are going to cover this European continent in 9 parts. So the rivers which we have left in the previous video, we are going to do this now. So guys, these are some of the topics which we are going to cover in this video: Rhine River, Lake Constance, Alps Mountain, Vosges Mountains, Balkan Mountains, Iberian Peninsula, Gibraltar Peninsula, and Strait of Gibraltar. So let's start now. Now we are going to read about the Rhine River. Guys, for this you must know about Lake Constance. So this Lake Constance lies on the border of 3 countries, that is Germany, Switzerland and Austria. Let me show you it in the map. So guys, you can see this map. This is the lake which is known by the name Lake Constance, and as I told you, it lies on the border of 3 countries, that is Germany, Switzerland and this Austria. And you can see this Rhine River. This river originates from the mountain Alps. So first of all, we should know where the Alps are, in which countries. So the countries in which these Alps mountain lie: Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia, Italy, Liechtenstein, France, Monaco and Germany. As you can see, these are the Alps mountains. As you can see it over here, these lie in Switzerland, France, Austria, Slovenia, Liechtenstein, and you can see over here this part, this is Germany. And guys, this country you might be thinking, Monaco, this is a very small country, lies over here. So this is also the part of Alps. So these 8 countries are those in which the Alps lie, and these are the very important mountain ranges of Europe. Now from here originates a river, Rhine River. Guys, you can see this map. As I told you that Alps lies over here, so these are the Alps mountains. You can consider it. And from here originates a river, that is Rhine River, which you can see it by the blue color. And over here, this is Lake Constance, which lie on the border of 3 countries I told you: Austria, Switzerland and Germany. And then this Rhine River flows through many countries, and then finally it drains into this North Sea. This is North Sea. And if you remember, this North Sea lies to the west of Jutland Peninsula, and this is above Bay of Biscay. So guys, here I have written these countries. These are the countries through which Rhine River passes. These are Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Austria, Germany, France and Netherlands. Guys, as you can see it over here, this is Switzerland, from where it is originating, and then it is passing through the border of Switzerland and Austria, and then it flows to the west and then turns to the north. And here you see that it is just passing through the border of France, just passing, and then through Liechtenstein, and after that it flows into Germany. As you can see, this is Germany, and lastly in Netherlands, this is Netherlands. So the course of this Rhine River flows into 6 countries, that is these 6 countries. So guys, this Rhine River also makes Rift Valley on the border of France and Germany, and it also passes through Lake Constance, as I told you, which lies on the border of 3 countries: Germany, Switzerland and Austria. We are going to read about Jylland Mountains. So guys, you can see this European continent map. This is Norway and this is Sweden. If you remember, I told you about the Scandinavian mountains which lie over here in Norway and Sweden. So today we are going to read about Jylland Mountains, which lies over here in this part, and other parts of Scandinavian mountains only. And one more interesting fact is that these Jylland Mountains create fjords in Norwegian Sea and North Sea. As you can see that this one is Norwegian Sea and this is North Sea. They create fjords over here. Now you should know what are fjords. So you can see that fjords are the mountains and sea intermixing with each other. You can see that this is sea, okay, and these are the mountains. So this is what is known as fjord, because here the mountains and sea are intermixing with each other and they create water gullies. And this is a physical feature, and you know that this is the physical features in North Sea and Norwegian Sea. So fjords are created over here. Guys, you can see this map. These are the Jylland Mountains. I told you that it lies between, this is Norway and this is Sweden. So these are the Jylland Mountains, and here what we are talking about, fjords, here are created fjords. Here also you can see that these are the Jylland Mountains, which are a part of Scandinavian mountains and lies between Norway and Sweden. I hope this is clear to you now. Now guys, one more important thing I want to tell you about these Alps, that the highest peak of these Alps are Mount Blanc, as it is written over here, and it lies in France, somewhat over here. Guys, you can see this is France and this is Mount Blanc, which is the highest peak of Alps mountain, lies over here. So guys, basically 3 rivers originate from the Alps. That is, we have read already Po River, Rhine River and Rhone River. So these are the 3 rivers which are originating from Alps mountains. And one more important thing, you should know that Danube River, which we have read in the last video, it passes through Alps but do not originate from it. That means there is difference between the origination and passing through. Right guys? Now guys, let us know something about the Vosges Mountains. So these Vosges Mountains lie towards the eastern boundary of France, and they are separated from Black Forest Mountains of Germany through the Rhine Valley. So let us see these mountains. Here you can see this is the map of France, and as I told you that Vosges Mountains lie toward east of France. So here are these Vosges Mountains, and also you can see these are the Alps, which of which lie some part in France also, and these are the Pyrenees mountain I told you when we were doing the last to last video, and these Pyrenees mountain are boundary between Spain and France. And if you remember, I told you that these Pyrenees mountain lie in 3 countries, France, Spain and Andorra. Yes, we are going to read about the Balkan mountains. So you must know about the Balkan countries. As you can see it over here, these are the Balkans. This is known as Balkan Peninsula as it is surrounded by 3 water bodies, that is Black Sea on the east direction, Adriatic Sea to the west, and to the south it is surrounded by Ionian Aegean Sea. So if we talk about the Balkan mountains, then the Balkan mountains are in 2 countries, that this is Bulgaria and this Serbia. Let us see in the map. So guys, as you can see the physical map here, these are the Balkan mountains, and it lies in 2 countries, that is Serbia and Bulgaria, and major part in Bulgaria. Right guys, and these Balkan mountains lie to the south of Danube river, which we read in our previous class. And here you can see this is Sofia, which is capital of this country, Bulgaria. And guys, one more thing I want to make it clear to you, that this you can see this is Albania and this is Greece. These 2 countries, here lies the mountains, Pindus mountains. In both the countries here lies Pindus mountains. So guys, it must be clear in your mind that Pindus mountain lies in 2 countries, that is Albania and Greece. Now we are going to read about the Iberian Peninsula and the Strait of Gibraltar, which is dividing Europe and Africa. So guys, as you can see this map of Europe, here this is Iberian Peninsula I told you. This Iberian Peninsula consists of 3 countries, that is Portugal, Spain and Andorra, which is a small country. Now we are talking about Strait of Gibraltar. So you can see that this is the Strait of Gibraltar, which is dividing 2 continents, that is this is European continent and this is African continent. So Strait of Gibraltar is dividing African continent and European continent. Let us see this in detail. Guys, as you can see this map, this is the Strait of Gibraltar. As you can see, this is a small strait which is dividing this. This is European continent and this is African continent. And this whole is, you can see this is Iberian Peninsula. Here lies 3 countries. This is Andorra, a small country. This is Portugal and this is Spain. Now let us see the zooming map of Gibraltar. Because Gibraltar is a peninsula which is surrounded by 3 water bodies. Let us see this. This you can see this is Gibraltar Peninsula, as this is a Spain country. This is Gibraltar and this is surrounded by 3 water bodies. This is Bay of Gibraltar, this is Alboran Sea and this one is Strait of Gibraltar. And one more important thing is that this Gibraltar is a territory of UK. So you must know this is territory of United Kingdom, not the territory of Spain. As you can see in this map also, here it is written Gibraltar and in bracket it is written UK, that is it is territory of United Kingdom. So guys, you can see here this is map of UK and you can see these are Pennines mountains and these are the Cambrian mountains which lie to the south of Pennines mountains. Got it? Now we are talking about the Thames River. Thames River originates from the Cambrian mountains and it is a east flowing river and it flows into this North Sea. And one more important thing about the Thames River is that it doesn't make delta but it make estuary. And the most important thing is London, which is the capital of UK, lies on this river, that is Thames River. Here it is London. And guys, these are the central plains of UK. Like in India, we have the northern plains from where Ganga and Brahmaputra passes. Here also from the central plains of UK, this Thames River pass. And guys, here you can see this bay. This is a small bay which is known by the name Wash Bay and it lies to the north of this London. Or you can say that where Thames river make estuary, it lies to the north of this. So guys, here in this way we have completed our European continent finally. Now after this we will proceed to African continent. Till then you practice your maps as much as possible you can. And if you like my video, please like it, share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment on it and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.